operate a 4-axis sock printer. This video will show you how to operate the 4-axis sock printer, including sticker installation, printing test strips, pattern making, pattern rip, pattern printing, and finished product drying. The complimentary KRAFT paper makes removing socks easier. To do this, apply double-sided tape to the smooth side of the paper. Place the paper over the roller and wrap it around the roller until it completely covers the entire roller. Remove the protective layer on the other side of the tape and secure the joints of the paper. Finally, apply masking tape to the other end of the roller. This makes removing socks easier and smoother. Before printing, you need to test the print head. Open the software. Click Test, print out the test pattern, and check the status chart to see if there is any disconnection or ink failure. First, put the socks to be printed on the roller and measure their actual length. Then create a new canvas with the same length in Photoshop. Import the pattern to be printed, and complete the pattern adjustment according to the customer's specific requirements. Open the Neostampa Rip software on your computer. Import the finished image, select the corresponding ICC profile, then click the Rip button to generate a PRN file. The purpose of importing the pattern into the RIP software is to manage the color of the ICC profile to ensure that the color of the pattern is accurately restored when printing. According to the drawing size. Use a ruler to measure the corresponding position on the roller. Then move the laser positioning device to confirm the specific position and ensure that the printing area is completely within the laser range to avoid white exposure. After opening the printing software, import the RIP process file and click the print button to start the printing process. Take off the printed socks and put them in the oven for drying and color fixing.